What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Patta collaboration with Nike on the Air Max 1 in this Noise Aqua colorway. Today's video is brought to you by Sole Savvy. Sole Savvy is a membership-based community of like-minded sneakerheads with a true passion and love for sneakers. In Sole Savvy, they give you the tools, the information, and the resources you need to be able to buy shoes for retail, and they offer a ton of perks beyond that, including training sessions for major heat drops, a members-only store where they sell shoes only for retail, and most recently they introduced something called Sole Savvy Assist, which is a Chrome plugin that autofills your information, your credit card information, all that stuff, and it leaves you right to the last step where all you gotta do is click confirm purchase. So I've been a member of Sole Savvy pretty much since the beginning in the summer of 2018, and I know a lot of you guys ask me, how do I manage to grab so many pairs for retail? Well, Sole Savvy definitely helps me in that respect. So if you're looking to join a very tight-knit community of like-minded sneakerheads, be sure to check out that link down below. And let me tell you guys, honestly, for someone like myself who's so busy on a normal day-to-day basis, I find Sole Savvy extremely useful as it gives me all the information and all the tools I need in one central place. So give them a follow, check out their website, links are down below. So back to the shoes, this is the second Patta Air Max 1 following the Monarch colorway that dropped a few weeks back. So this pair initially dropped on Patta's website on October 29th, but then they had a wider worldwide drop on November 4th, and they retailed for a price of $160 or 210 Canadian. The official colorway for this shoe is metallic silver, pure platinum, and noise aqua. And if you've seen my previous review of the Monarch colorway, this is pretty much an identical review, except for of course the obvious swaps in colors. So taking a look at the box, this comes in the same exact box that the Monarch pair came in too. So it's a black-based special edition box. We have all these special phrases like Patta got love for all. We have Nike and Patta co-branding. It says here, get familiar on the right side. And then the paper inside is also special as well. So it comes with special Patta branded paper too. And inside the box, there's this black Patta Air Max dust bag. And inside this, there's a silver chain with the Nike swoosh, the Surinamese flag, which is the country where Patta's co-founders are from, along with the Patta logo itself. So jumping into the details of this shoe, for the most part, this is your classic Air Max 1 construction. On the toe box, we have this gray colored mesh, which has a bit of a rough texture to it in hand. And then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box and running down the length of the shoe as a mudguard, we have this noise aqua colored nubuck, which in real life is like a pale grayish blue. On the lateral side, we have this embroidered mini swoosh done in white, and then covering the U-throat and quarter panel of the shoe, we have this pure platinum colored nubuck. This nubuck feels very soft to the touch and it feels like it's very nice quality. And then above this, the top two eyelets are constructed out of this blue colored TPU. Stitched on top of this, we have this noise aqua colored swoosh. And then moving downwards, we have more of that mesh material that we saw earlier on the toe box. This wraps around the top portion of the ankle collar area. And then underneath this, we have more nubuck. And you'll see the blue colored mudguard runs down the entire length of the shoe, wrapping around the back. And embroidered in the center, we have Nike Air branding done in this blue finish. For the laces, so these come with two pairs of laces. The default laces these come with is a pure platinum colored lace, but they also give you a secondary pair of cream laces, which matches the color of the tongue. So underneath this, the tongue is constructed in what feels like this felt-like material, and it's done in this cream color. And on the top, we have this tag with Patta Air Max branding. Moving on to the insoles, these come with your standard foam-lined insole, and we have Patta and Nike co-branding printed across. One thing I noticed is while the toe box of this shoe wasn't bad, I gotta say the toe box on the Monarch colorway was done a lot better. So if I compare them side by side, you can see the Monarch colorway has this nice sleek look to it, whereas for this Aqua pair, it's a bit more of this rounded boxy finish. So the upper of these Air Max 1s sits atop this full-length polyurethane foam midsole. This is painted in this cream color, and then underneath the heel we have this cutout, which reveals the Air Max unit that's found within the midsole. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, the outsole here is constructed out of a combination of this dark burgundy, dark tan, and dark blue colored finish. And we have Nike Air branding on the back heel. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Patta Air Max 1s. And for those wondering how these fit, to me these fit exactly the same as the Monarch colorway, so for both pairs I stuck true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and normally for Air Max 1s I wear between a 10 or a 10.5 depending on the release and the materials used. So for some reason this pair definitely fits true to size. There's no need to go up a half size at all unless you have really wide feet. Otherwise I feel like if you have narrow, normal, or slightly wide feet, true to size definitely is the way to go. Next up, in terms of comfort, so these feel like any of your other Air Max 1s. So with that said, it's gonna feel decent for a casual use shoe, but there's not too much from the softness and cushioning standpoint. This is a shoe with technology from 1987, so there's not too much that you feel underfoot. However, there's some cushioning within it, and it gives you good support as well. So again, just for an everyday casual use shoe, these are going to be fine. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so the material quality I thought was great. So the nubucks, especially this pure platinum nubuck on the quarter panel, this felt very nice to the touch. And the overall build on the shoe was solid, except for of course the slightly boxier toe box, but at the end of the day it wasn't that big of a deal and I didn't notice it too much. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Noise Aqua Air Max 1 Pattas and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, just like the Monarch colorway, I love this collaboration. I like how it's a pretty classic look, except they swapped the obvious straight mudguard with this wavy mudguard instead. So I think this small change really changes the whole look of the shoe, but it still keeps the character of the Air Max 1 intact. So between this one and the Monarch pair, I gotta give the edge I think to this one. I think blue is just a bit more wearable for me personally, but honestly you can't go wrong with either one. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Noise Aqua Patta Air Max 1. Between this one and the Monarch, which of the two do you guys prefer? And for everyone watching, did you guys manage to grab these? Did you pass or take an L? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.